TTM 1, Orlando Pirates 4. Referee blows the whistle and the match starts. 5 minutes into the game, there's a few attacks by Orlando Pirates. 7 minutes inside the game, Police receives a through ball in the box, tries to cut inside but is taken down by the TTM defender. Penalty for Orlando Pirates. De Jong steps up to take the penalty and he scored. TTM 0, Orlando Pirates 1. What a good penalty by De Jong, sent the TTM goalkeeper in the opposite direction. So far, this seems like a one-sided game, but we are not surprised because Orlando Pirates is on form right now. In the 16th minute, Betuma receives a through ball inside the box. The TTM defender does well to recover the ball as it was going to Betuma, but the defender made a bad clearance and the ball landed by Mbata, who takes a shot and scores a goal. TTM 0, Orlando Pirates 2. What a good long-range shot by Mbata. His shot took a deflection from the TTM player and went inside the net. 30 minutes inside the game, still more attacks by Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, it's either the shot goes wide, or the TTM defender recovers the ball, or the TTM goalkeeper makes a save, or the flag gets raised for an offside. In the 36th minute, TTM are finally attacking, and a TTM player is brought down by Mbata, just a few steps from the edge of the box. TTM makes no mistakes and capitalizes on their chance. The free kick is scored by the TTM player. TTM 1, Orlando Pirates 2. What a good free kick. Buthelezi is beaten on the near post. Orlando Pirates ends the first half with a high, with more attacks trying to get a third goal. Referee blows the whistle and it's half time. TTM doesn't look like it has a plan. Unfortunately, there's a difference in quality between the two teams. I was going to say TTM should just go hard on the attack, but it won't be able to go pound for pound with Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates are just the better team. Referee blows the whistle and the second half starts. In the 49th minute, Tito passes in Betuma. Betuma returns the ball to Tito, who finds himself inside the box and scores. TTM 1, Orlando Pirates 3. What a superb goal that started in the half, all the way to TTM's box to score a goal. This is the difference in quality I was talking about. In the 62nd minute, Hoto receives a ball inside the box, takes a shot, but the shot is saved by the TTM goalkeeper. In the 70th minute, Betuma receives the ball inside the box, but is indecisive and loses the ball to TTM defenders. 2 minutes later, Tito plays a through ball to Hoto. Hoto then crosses the ball inside the box to find Betuma, who makes a poor touch and the shot is saved. What a good save by the TTM goalkeeper. The score could have been 6 or 7 by now. In the 78th minute, another good save by TTM goalkeeper. Tito receives the ball inside the box from Dino van Ryan, takes a shot, but the shot is saved by the TTM goalkeeper. In the 89th minute, Tito passes Mbule, who takes a shot and scores a goal. TTM 1, Orlando Pirates 4. What a wonderful goal from Sipho Mbule. The TTM goalkeeper had no chance at saving that goal. The shot was wonderfully struck. Orlando Pirates end the game on a high, but the TTM goalkeeper denies them a fifth goal. Referee blows the whistle and the match is over.